to Marilen Styles. Today, I'm going to be talking about our bathroom. Can you remember what this bathroom looked like before? It was so outdated and the tiles were really old. But then, I had some people from Eurotiles to come over and change the entire look. I fell in love with this particular tile pattern when I visited the exhibit of Eurotiles, and I decided that that's what I wanted for my own bathroom, and here, I have it installed right now and I really love it. It completely changed the look of the whole bathroom. The bathroom fixtures are also from Eurotiles, and they're called Caesar. The brand is Caesar, and it's just a modern sink, and the water closet or toilet is also really nice and modern, and I just loved how it turned out. But let me show you what I did in terms of styling and in terms of what our bathroom really looks like on a daily basis. Nice to have some kind of flower or plants, right? And so I buy flowers almost every Saturday and I keep them here. I keep some in the dining table also, just to make things look a little pretty. And because I don't really like seeing a lot of clutter going on, I bought these boxes from IKEA. You can buy, a lot of decorative baskets or boxes anywhere else like H&M or other shops. This is where I keep stuff like my hair dryer, my hairbrush, all my night creams, my hair gels, the things that I use for my face. They're all in here in these baskets too. Don't like putting like bottles with the labels on it because I just think that it looks too cluttered and quite tacky, so I always transfer them into nice jars. If you open this area, you'll see the shower. Printed eclectic tile is inside this area. I also wanted to show you this, and let me know if you think it's a good idea. I received this macrame plant hanger. And imagine that I will have a plant here that's sort of like some kind of English ivy or crawling plant or hanging plant. And I was thinking of putting it right here. I think the sunlight still hits it, so it might look nice here, or maybe here inside. We really just like to keep it simple. Our shampoos and our soaps are in there. So that's it. A really quick and short episode about this bathroom. I hope you picked up a lot of things in terms of styling and how to organize your bathroom so that all the clutter and all the toiletries are not bare and seen out there. You can use boxes or decorative baskets, and you can always add some plants or flowers to your bathroom to make it look a little bit more stylish. And thank you for subscribing.